Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can insert an SD card to your Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. When we go to our settings and go to battery and device care, we see here that we have the storage here, and this is the internal storage. We don't have any external storage, so we're going to go ahead and insert an SD card. You can take your SIM card ejector for that or a simple paper clip, and then go ahead and put that in the SIM card slot here. Take that out and then take your SD card and put that in. Now you can put the whole thing back in the phone. And then the first thing we need to do is we need to unlock our SIM card. And when we go to our settings now and go to battery and device, then go to storage, we see that we have the SD card here and this is almost empty. So you can now go ahead and save all your stuff on the SD card and save some internal storage. So that's how you can insert an SD card to your Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.